everyone, today we will talk about mumps disease. So let's start. What is the introduction of mumps? Mumps is an acute viral infection of childhood that typically involves swelling of one or both parotid glands, although many different organs can be infected. Then next, what is the etiology of mumps? Mumps virus, the causes of mumps is an RNA virus of the gene rubella virus in Paramyxoviridae family, which also include the para-influenza viruses. The virus is spread from human reservoir through direct contact, airborne droplet vomited contaminated by saliva. Then what is the clinical manifestation of mumps? The incubation period range from 14 to 24 days with peak at 17 to 18 days. In children, prodromal manifestations are rare but may be manifested by fever, muscular pain, especially in the neck, headache, earache on the side of parotid involvement, discomfort with eating or drinking acidic fluid, and parotid pain is the most pronounced during the first few days of swelling. What is a diagnosis? A care provider may diagnose mumps based on typical symptoms and no exposure to mumps. That are following tests can be diagnosed mumps disease: a test of sample from the mouth, a blood test, and urine test. Then come treatment. So rest, pain reliever that you can get without prescription, such as say you can take ibuprofen, paracetamol, and a cold or warm cloth for swollen salivary glands, a cold cloth or ice pack for swollen testicles, drinking plenty of fluids. Then come to the protect your child with mumps vaccine. Mumps vaccine is the best way to decrease your child risk of getting mumps. It is usually given as a part of combination vaccines that protect against three diseases: MMR, that stands for measles, mumps and rubella. Children should get two doses of MMR vaccine. First dose at 12 to 15 months of age and second dose 4 to 6 year of age. Then thank you so much.